Hello everyone, we are going to learn about the volcanic eruption. Here are the materials. You need a volcano mold, some red food coloring, sodium hydrogen carbon or NaHCO3 baking soda, and you need a mini beaker and a high beaker, and some vinegar too.
Apple cider.
Yeah, apple vinegar. So guys, for this you need to add like 3-4 spoons of baking soda, at least 5 normally. I'm going to add like 4 or 3 spoons only for now. Yeah, but I'm adding 3 spoons here, but you can add 4 or 5 if you want, or the same amount. Okay, now I'm gonna put the red what do you call it, food coloring. So don't scream that it's not coming, it will come. You have to press like that. You need to add like 3-4 drops. Okay, I added it. Now the last thing to do is to add the vinegar. So you just have to pour it, and here's the eruption. Bye. It erupted. I poured it all at once. And more of it. The volcano, wow, the red is turning to blue already.